is. Kaya maraming po salamat. Of course, natapang po natin ang Pride Watch and GCA Senate Philippines. Anyway, nandiyan na po yung pinaka-aabang ninyo. Of course, ang ating jukebox queen. Kaya, sabi ka sa akin, kumanta ka na na, wala po akong boses. Bakit wala akong boses? Kasi po nag-kasi po ko nag-event. Bakit ako yung NP? Kaya po, sobrang thankful ako. Of course, at ating family, palakpakan po natin na isang malakas at palakpakan. Hindi ko nakakabahan natin sasabihin. I would like to say, of course, to all the sponsors. Alam nyo, NP, lagi kong role na GCA ko, 2010 hanggang 2018-20, lagi akong regional chairman ng sponsorship. May NFA lang kung nasabi ko, bakit ako makulit gawin chairman ng sponsorship? Kasi ako, makulit daw po ako humingi ng sponsors. Pag daw humingi ako ng sponsors, hindi daw ako maintindihan. Lalo pag daw intindihan ko lang daw. Sabi ko, kaya ito kong project watch po, ito po is very next sila yung timeline. Imagine June 8 po sa natin. Iba po yung sponsor natin doon. This time, June 29. Sabi ng mga ko, paano ko nakakain ng dalawang event sa isang buwan? Sabi ng mga ko, basta dyan ang national board, kakakayanin ko. Diba, kalapakapan po natin ang national board, ang GCA Senate Philippines, and the Project Watch. Kaya maraming salamat po sa aking mga kaibigan. Actually, text ko lang sila. Nandiyan po ang ating sponsor, the producer, Bridget. Of course, ang ating producer ni Alan Dizon. Kinuha ko kong model ng Spy Cover Magazine, Ma'am Bibi, with Alan Dizon. Palapakapan po natin, baby ko. Pwede po kayo tumayo, ma'am. Kayo po kayo, ma'am. Siya po ay officer sa Chinese businessman sa Mandaluyong. Baka kilala niyo po si M.P. Herbertan. Yan, pero kayo Chinese. And of course, thank you so much kay Tita Lisa Lindolan. Nandito po kanina with Jerry Raval. And of course, with his husband, mula sa housing. And thank you so much to all my friends. Since kasama ko rin po sa trabaho from DPWH, Regional Director from NCR, R.D. Loreto, Malawan, Regional Director from Region 1, R.D. Ronald Tan, Regional Director of Region 4E, Regional Director Joel Mendoza, and of course the National Vice President of the National President, League of the Vice Governors, League of the Philippines, Vice Governor Attorney Karen Agapay, and of course, Mayor Jeff Castillo Monte. Thank you so much to Tita Amelda Poppy, the PCSO, Smart Telecommunication, and of course, the Relax Massage, BG Production International, the Jersey Republic, the Fiesta Fruit King na Apple to Apple, Kingster Apple Ang, to Brighton Entertainment Production, to BFA Batangas Farmer Agriculture Cooperative, and of course, not really yours, Miss Flawless Fresh Services, and Miss Flawless Skincare Clinic po ang aking business. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating mga sponsors na ilang linggo lang po ito, pero nandiyan sila to support us. And thank you so much also to all chapters of GCA Senate of the Philippines. Sobrang na-touch po talaga ako because the head of the NPH, palapakan po natin. Kaya nandito po lahat ng chapters na ating GCA Senate. Palapakan po natin ng isang malakas na palakpakan. Wala man signs na dito pero nag-pledge sila ng suporta. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Yan, nandiyan po rin si Ma'am Lisa Lindol. Tita Lisa, maaaring tumayo po kayo. Puro barkada ng nanay ko. Yan. She's the producer also and the wife, of course, Tito Berry from the house scene. So, yes. So, thank you so much, Chipo, sa ating all Girl Scout. Mga nanay ko, kaya magkalala, sa Girl Scout ng Pablo, palakpakan po natin. Alam ko ba ang posisyon pinili sa akin? Vice President of Funding. Kaya po, meron akong mission, 5 years. So, ang mission ko naman is to lukay for to give financial support and funding the Girl Scout in 5 years. Don't worry. Gagawin ko din po sa Girl Scout sa Pablo City. Palakpakan po natin. Pero huwag niyo po kakalimutan mga Girl Scout, board member Angelica Jones. Please think ka na, no? Because I'm acting running for board member of 3rd District of Laguna. So, final po namin this month of October. For, of course, under Federal President P.D.M. Marcos. So, anyway, maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. So, thank you so much to all the sponsors, to all the artists, Marky, Tita Melda Poppy, Maxine Lutz, and especially my son, Angelo Alday. Actually, kinalo ko ni Angelo. Pag-isip ko, mag-breakfast money, I have to go. It's project watch time. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, I have practice. Nakakaya kay coach. Sabi ko, anak, nandito pa ako sa bahay. Of course, project watch time. So, umalis siya sa tapos, every practice niya ng dance. Tapos ako, yung aking son said, Mami, bakit hindi ko pa-practice ko manta? Alam, wala ko pa ako mag-practice. Ang kailangan ko maghanap ng sponsors. Ang kailangan ko, yung for events and production, and yung maging successful ang project was, mahirap maging national chairman. So, I'm very proud. Thank you so much. I'm very proud and thank you so much. I love you so much, my son, Angelo Alday. Palakpakan po natin.